Welcome to Study Loop.
A trade-off is a kind of compromise that involves giving up something in return for getting something else. We're going to look at each of these scenarios and see what the trade-off would be. A, which says a family deciding whether to buy a new car. So they're purchasing a new car. So the trade-off there is whatever they didn't purchase. So the trade-off is the other things they could have used that money for. Such as a vacation. Maybe they could have used it to pay down debt. They could have maybe used it for educational purposes. Or whatever else they could have used that money for. That is the trade-off. B, a member of Congress deciding how much to spend on national parks. So the trade-off are the other programs that are now not getting that money. So if they're giving the money to national parks, that means they're not giving that money to, say, national defense, education, welfare programs. So anything else they could have, any other programs other than national parks that they could have put that money towards that did not get that money, that is the trade-off. C, a company president deciding whether to open a new factory. So the trade-off are the other investments that they didn't make. Maybe that could have been new machinery, more labor. But opening a new facility or a new factory is an investment in the business. So other investments that are not made is what they had to give up. D, a professor deciding how much to prepare for class. The trade-off here is how else that time could have been spent. So that time going into preparing or planning for the class, what else could he have been doing with that time? Maybe he could have gone to the movies. Maybe that's what he had to give up. Maybe dining out, maybe going out with friends. But instead he's preparing for class. So whatever was given up instead of, whatever he would have done instead of that is what he gave up. And E, a recent college graduate deciding whether to go to graduate school. The trade-off here is entering the workforce and making money. specifically making full time wages.